Good afternoon, students. Class 8. As we have completed up till here, yesterday we have completed up till here, and I hope everything is clear to you now. Isn't it? Should I? Am I sure about it that you people are clear with everything? Otherwise, you can ask me if you have any doubts regarding up till here. I have explained the two parts: water pollution and food for thought. And now we are going to start with the veggie delight. These all are the parts of the health is wealth. So let's get started. Take out your books at page number 63, Veggie Delight. Now, as the name suggests, Veggie Delight, what comes in your mind? Vegetables? Veggie Delight. It is but obvious. Veggie Delight means vegetables. It is linked something to vegetables. So here today we are going to discuss about the importance of vegetarianism. More and more young people are opting for a vegetarian diet chart. Nowadays, you might have heard that many non-vegetarian people are turning to, they are becoming vegetarian. Yes or no? सुना है या नहीं सुना आपने? काफी लोग नॉन वेज से वेजिटेरियन बन रहे हैं. क्यों? आपने कभी सोचा इसके बारे में? Have you thought? Have you given a thought? Now we will discuss and you will come to know about that why they are changing their diets. Young people are going vegetarian with a vengeance. Vengeance here means vengeance is retaliation. Here it means retaliation. Otherwise, the meaning of vengeance is taking revenge. आपको किसी से बदला लेना हो, that is the vengeance. Here it is with the great intensity means, or with retaliation means बहुत मुश्किल से. Young people are going vegetarian because they love non-veg food, but as the dietitians and the nutritionists, they are just forcing us, compelling us to go through the vegetarian diet and know the best parts of this. So the people are nowadays more aware that what to eat and what not to eat. That you will be also agree with me that nowadays people are more aware of all these things because of this media and all these mobiles and gadgets. So it's a very, what should I say? It's a very hot topic nowadays because many people are changing their diet charts. Indeed, eat healthy is a new buzz. Nowadays, everybody is health conscious. Nobody wants to display the large bellies and chubby cheeks. Everybody wants to look gorgeous, good and fit. Isn't it? So, whether they like it or not, either to look good or to remain fit, they just means they are just going towards the vegetarian diet. Eat healthy is a new buzz means आज का नया ट्रेंड है eat healthy. आजकल आपने देखा होगा लोग बहुत ज़्यादा जिम जाते हैं. They go for jogging, they do a lot of exercises, different kinds of exercises, whatever suits them. Some of them goes for yoga and others they go to the gym, and some only enjoy walking and jogging only. So it is just about the taste. So it's a new trend, eat healthy. Everybody wants to look good and feel confident about yourself. So the fact that celebrities from Madonna to Abraham endorse the fad has also not only has only boosted the trend, because nowadays international celebrities are also endorsing the fad, means they are also approving the fact that vegetarian diet is better than the non-vegetarian. They are just boosting the trend. Means आप किसी चीज को एक thumbs up दे रहे हैं कि yes, this one is good. So means boosting the trend. जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है उसको जो है सेलिब्रिटीज अगर हमें किसी चीज के लिए बोलते हैं तो हम बहुत जल्दी मान जाते हैं. हमें लगता है कि दे आर आइडियल. सो दैट इज वाई they are endorsing the fad of being vegetarian. Save the forest cover, says the Maneka Gandhi. Maneka Gandhi आपको मालूम है, he is a animal lover and she does a lot about the crime on animals and all that. Regarding that, says Maneka Gandhi of People for Animals that are grown for meat graze on the forest lands feeding on young shoots. Now she gives the reason that animals that are grown for meat, जो animals meat के लिए grow किए जाते हैं, means उनको fed किया जाता है, they graze on the forest lands. वो क्या खाते हैं? घास खाते हैं. पैस्चर्स पे उनको छोड़ दिया जाता है एंड वो जो छोटे छोटे घास हैं, यंग शूट्स हैं, श्रब्स हैं, हर्ब्स हैं, वो खाते हैं. दिस कॉजेज द डिप्लीशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट कवर. और इससे क्या होता है, जितने ज्यादा एनिमल्स ये सब खाएंगे ग्रीन छोटे छोटे श्रब्स एंड हर्ब्स, तो उससे क्या होगा, फॉरेस्ट मीन्स फॉरेस्ट कवर इन द सेंस दैट द ग्रीनरी इट इज जस्ट डिप्लीटिंग, एग्जॉस्ट होती जा रही है, रिडक्ट होती जा रही है धीरे धीरे. क्यों? क्योंकि एनिमल्स को मीट के लिए वहां पे भेजा जाता है ग्रेज करने के लिए, एंड दे ग्रेज अ लॉट, दे ईट ऑल द grass and all the shrubs, herbs, whatever it is, small plants, and this causes the depletion. Exhaustion हो रही है वहां पे, reduction हो रही है फॉरेस्ट एरिया में ग्रीनरी की. In fact, cover has come down to an alarming 8% in India. और जो हमारा फॉरेस्ट कवर है, मीन्स जो हमारी ग्रीनरी है, ट्रीज हैं, वो हमारे थोड़े अलार्मिंग होता है, बहुत ज्यादा एकदम नीचे आ जाना. हैज कम डाउन टू एन अलार्मिंग 8% इन इंडिया. तो वो काफी कम हो गया है, 8% तक आ गया है. मोर एंड मोर यूथ हैव रियलाइज दैट व्हेन यू ईट मीट यू आर इन इफेक्ट एक्सचेंजिंग फॉरेस्ट फॉर मीट. So due to all this awareness spread through the media and all these gadgets we are using, because now today's we are very much exposed to everything, whatever is going on throughout the world and throughout the country, throughout your city. So you'll just press the button and you'll find every information regarding any subject you want. That also you know that. So I mean to say here is that youth have realized it. Youth means आज का जो बच्चा है, young age है, जो हमारी youngsters हैं, they have realized that when you eat meat you are in effect exchanging forest for meat. क्योंकि जब वो मीट खाएंगे तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा एनिमल्स का स्लॉटर करना पड़ेगा. They have to slaughter the animals and slaughter होगा तो एक तरह से जो उन्होंने खाया था फॉरेस्ट एज देयर फूड, वो भी उनका एक्सचेंज हो रहा है. मीन्स जिन एनिमल्स ने इतना सारा वो ग्रेजिंग की, अब वो पार्ट खत्म हो गया और उधर से उन एनिमल्स को भी स्लॉटर करके मीट के लिए सर्व कर दिया. तो उसका क्या मतलब है कि हमारा जो फॉरेस्ट कवर है वो तो डिप्लीट हो ही रहा है, एंड इन द सेंस वी आर एक्सचेंजिंग द फॉरेस्ट फॉर मीट. Cyclones, floods, droughts are a fallout of the depleting forest cover. And as we all know that trees play a very important role in bringing up the rain and all that. You know that. I don't need to tell you because you're quite grown-ups. So these things are occurring, these natural calamities, cyclones, floods, droughts. Cyclones is a storm. Again, floods, you know. Droughts are that famines जिन्हें हम कहते हैं सूखा. They are a fallout of the depleting forest cover. तो ये जो चीजें हो रही हैं, ये नेचुरल जो कैलामिटीज आ रही हैं, these are only the results of adverse effect of the depleting forest cover. हमारे फॉरेस्ट खत्म होते जा रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से ये सब जो नेचुरल कैलामिटीज हैं ये बहुत ज्यादा अकर हो रही हैं, जल्दी हो रही हैं. आपने नोटिस किया होगा आजकल अर्थक्वेक्स बहुत जल्दी आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि जो हमारे अर्थ क्रस्ट है इट्स गेटिंग हॉटर डे बाय डे बिकॉज वाटर इज डिक्रीजिंग. Percentage of water is decreasing at a very alarming rate. Moreover, it is contaminating also. We have read this here. So all these factors are really worth considering. हमें इनके बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा and we have to act fast. Vegetarian diet is more than complete in itself, asserts Menka. So Menka Gandhi declares and she affirmatively gives a consent that vegetarian diet is more than complete. Some people think there's a misconception that we don't get protein, we don't get B12, vitamin B12 in the vegetarian diet. But that is not the truth. If you search on Google or if you read some good book regarding the dietary charts, so you'll find out that every nutrient is present in vegetarian diet. Meat, eggs, milk only cause diseases from acne to cancer. Alternatives like soybean milk, curd provide adequate amount of calcium, protein, vitamins. Besides, meat gives you no fiber. So according to Menka Gandhi, she says that meat, eggs and milk, these are the causes of acne. Acne, you understand? A lot of pimples and scars on the face. To cancer means there are many diseases which are caused due to these three products. Because milk is also animal product. We get milk from the animals only. So she says that we should opt for the alternatives like soybean milk, curd. These also provide the adequate means sufficient. Adequate means sufficient amount. Whatever it is enough for you, enough for your body. So both of these products, they provide sufficient amount of calcium, protein, vitamins. Besides, meat gives you no fiber. And fiber is very important for our body. But we don't get fiber from meat. Now, the dietitian Shikha agrees that vegetarianism is a steadily growing trend, mainly due to the health reasons. Dietitian Shikha is also of the view that she also agrees with the point that nowadays vegetarianism is a growing trend. People are turning vegetarian due to the health reasons, because so many problems are the people are facing due to this non-vegetarian diet. Says actor R. Madhavan, a diet high in non-veg intake is the worst thing to go for. Why? He gives the reason. Given today's sedentary lifestyle among most urbanities. Means, you know that nowadays our lifestyle is such that there is less of physical activity, more of sitting. We are doing work mostly in the sitting posture. Our parents also, they are also doing work on computers mostly, or whether they are free, so they are sitting and watching their mobiles. And as far as housewives and house ladies are concerned, nowadays everything like washing machines and automatic washing machines have been introduced, and so many kitchen gadgets, appliances have been introduced that there is no physical activity left for the people. So the lifestyle has become like this only. So that is why R. Madhavan is saying that when we are taking so much of high calorie diet, because in non-veg there are so many calories and fats, so that just adds to the obesity. Adds Menka, it is absolutely uncool to serve dead bodies to the guests you are supposedly welcoming. So she is right. How can you welcome a guest with the dead bodies? Means if you are serving non-veg food, what is it? It's a dead food. It's a dead body of some animal. So somewhere I agree with Menka Gandhi that we should go for the vegetarian diet only. Golfer Irina Bra, 22 years, points out vegetarianism isn't because the young are becoming careful about their diet. So golfer है हमारी एक Irina Brar. She's 22 years old, and she also points out that nowadays the young ones are getting vegetarian because they are health conscious. They're getting health conscious. They know about the health hazards, and they are conscious about their diets also. So she also says that I prefer vegetarian fare to non-veg, which I am forced to have when I go abroad, because then it is not always possible to find veggie cuisine. She says that whenever I go abroad, only then, if the unavailability of vegetarian food is there, then only in emergency I consume non-veg food. Otherwise, I always prefer vegetarian food. I love dal and sabzi, but I don't mind the occasional egg. She says that she loves dal and sabzi, but sometimes, occasionally means sometimes she takes an egg. Moreover, increasing awareness about cruelty towards animals too is having an impact. So nowadays, cruelty towards animal, Menka Gandhi is working on cruelty towards animals. She is the main person behind this movement. And due to the increasing awareness, so it is making an impact. इस चीज का इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहा है. Manjusha Chatterjee, a student of LSR is the name of a college in Delhi, Lady Sri Ram College, says, I gave up meat after seeing chicken being pulled out of their cages, their necks snapped and wings torn before being sold. So she's a student at LSR College. She said, once I saw that how the chickens were getting ready, they were made ready. Their necks were snapped. Snap means when you break something suddenly. And wings torn. And they used to tear their wings. And they were just being sold for the meat. So she said, after seeing this image, viewing this thing, I just stopped eating meat. But don't let that make you think vegetarians are weak a lot. But some people think that vegetarian diet is not that not gives you that much strength, and non-veg people are more in means they are more in strength than the non-vegetarian people are weak in health. So that is a misconception. Look at the cane-eating elephant. Elephant is also a vegetarian animal. It only eats the leaves, fruits, flowers, and cane eating means it's fond of sugar cane. And the grass eating horse. Horse is also a vegetarian animal. So if you think that a veggie diet doesn't give you strength, then you are wrong. You are mistaken. Because you can think of elephant. He is so enormous animal, and horse. Horse is known for his strength. So you can't say that vegetarian diet is does not gives you strength, says the actor Jackie Shroff. Vegetarianism is cleaner and healthier. So he says, he further proves his point saying that vegetarian diet is more cleaner and healthier. ज़्यादा साफ सुथरी और ज़्यादा healthy है. Agrees Menka. Menka also agrees with him. Many top athletes of the world, many top athletes, line में कुछ गड़बड़ है. Many top, she means to say that nowadays all over the world many athletes have transformed. They have taken the vegetarian diet. They have started taking the vegetarian diet. Shroff however, has one concern when it comes to going green on the dinner table. I am worried about the widespread doses of pesticides and insecticides that are used while farming. He says farming must be done as to ensure health diet for all. So he says that while we are having the vegetarian diet, we must make sure that the farmers are not using the excessive use of the pesticides and insecticides. That is also very, very harmful for our bodies. Farmers should go for the organic methods and organic farming. So he is making the concern that if we are purely on the vegetarian diet, we should make sure that we are eating the organic products only. He says farming must be done as to ensure health diet for all. But staunch activists Menaka dispels such notions when she points out that the greater harm that a non-veg diet brings with it. But Menaka Gandhi, she eliminates, means she banishes. She says that it is fine that yes, these pesticides and insecticides, they are also harmful for us, but she says that the greater harm is done by the non-vegetarian diet. So as compared to the harm done by this pesticides and insecticides, according to her, is less than the non-vegetarian diet. She lists some unappetizing facts for those who have a taste for frog, turtle and fish. So she further keeps a point by saying that the people who like to eat frog, turtle and fish, they must know that frogs feed on mosquitoes. आपको ये मालूम होगा फूड चेन का कि छोटा एनिमल मीन्स जो बड़ा एनिमल होता है वो उससे छोटे को खाता है, उससे छोटा उससे छोटे को खाता है, और ऐसे ही जो है ये फूड चेन चलती रहती है. तो सिमिलरली द फ्रॉग्स feed on the mosquitoes. वो mosquitoes खाते हैं. And turtle is the scavenger of the sea. Scavenger होता है बच्चे the one who feeds on the dead organic matter. जो भी सी में जो चीज खत्म हो चुकी है, मर चुकी है, किसी भी चीज का वो पार्ट हो, but it is dead. That is, and the one who feeds on that thing is called as scavengers. So turtle is the scavenger of the sea. While a recent survey has found human faces in the fish. And she further strengthens her point by saying that the people who eat fish, they should, I want to warn them that through the recent survey, when they have cut the fish, they have found that human feces